Hey guys, it's Mr.Fusion 360 and in today's video we are going to make this Hog Rider's hammer from Clash Royale and Clash of Clans using Fusion 360. To make this hammer we will require a 2D sketch to make this. So we'll choose our front plane or right plane and we'll create a rectangle of dimensions 30 by 60 and 60, hit tab, enter 30, again tab, 60. You can also choose the box option to skip the third step. So I will just extrude, and the extrusion distance will also be 30 mm. Now to make this spoke we will require taper angle. So like the face, press Q for press pull, or you can also extrude, so select face, you can extrude and add a distance of 20 mm and the taper angle would be minus 40 mm. Now we have to make this trim outside the body. This you can see as the golden. So select front plane, create sketch and make a line of around 32 mm. Now hit D for dimension. The best distance between the box and the line would be 1 mm, not 5 mm. Now just zoom and just trim this. Put a line, make again a line of 32 mm, and now we will just follow this. 32 and 30. Now we'll extrude this. The extrusion would be of two sides. So go to direction, go to sides, two sides, and one would be the one would be of minus 12 mm and the second one would be of 4 mm. I think it's okay here. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. Now we have to move this. So press M for move bodies. Select this. Don't select this, so it's selecting the whole body. So now to extrusion operation, that was our operation. And go to new body. Now we'll move this and it will move individually. Create copy and copy, and we will move it towards the pointed portion or the spoke, and the dimension I think would be 50 mm or 48 mm. Let it be 46 mm. That is, I think, okay. You can see here it's just a little distance from here, so let's give it a distance of 46.5 and okay. Now we have to make this folds on this rim. So click this face, press C for circle and make a circle of 6 mm. Press D for dimension. So press D for dimension, and the distance from this point and this point would be 8 mm. Now we'll again create a circle of 6 mm, and again the distance from here to here would be 8 mm. The distance from these two circles would be 16 mm as default, and go to finish sketch. Now you can see here it's not at the center of the rim, so go to create sketch and we will edit our sketch and move it towards left, or just move this to 0.5 mm and okay. Now we'll finish sketch and extrude this, and we'll extrude these both to around 1 mm, and after that we will add a fillet on them. So just we will leave this for now. Then we want these bolts to be all over the rims, like you are seeing right now. You can see here the bolts are all of the rim, no spaces are left. So we will just move this, or mirror this. So go to create drop down and select mirror, select features, and the feature would be from our timeline tree, the extrusion, and the mirror plane, let's set it to be this. Mirror plane would be this, and the objects would be features. Now it has here, so press OK. Now we will again move this. So go to move, select features. Oh no, there's no features, so just select the bodies and select this body also, and go to create copy. Create copy 47 mm from the distance, or 46.5. I think, yes, it's okay. 46.5. Now we'll mirror this also. So go to mirror, select these features. The features would be this. The mirror plane would be this plane, and select OK. So by adjusting these all, we will have our bolts placed like this. So I will just skip the section where I move these all circles. So now I have all these bolts at the right place. Now two faces are left for these bolts. So we will create sketch on this board, on this face. So select this face and make a circle of 6 mm as before. 6 mm. Press D for dimension. From here to here would be 8 mm. From here to here would be also 8 mm. And the distance between these two would be 16 mm as default. Go to finish sketch, extrude these to 1 mm and press OK. Now go to mirror, or we can just move it for our to make it simpler. We will go to features like this. So there's no features in this, so we'll just mirror it. So go to create, go to mirror, select features and select the feature, and mirror plane would be this. Press OK. Now select move bodies, these two bodies, and bring it down like this around -30 mm. Now again we will move this and this, and we'll go create copy, and by creating the copy, we are just about to make the boards everywhere, and the dimension I think would be -46 or -46.5. Only places left is this face. So for this face we will go to move, select the bodies, or we will just mirror this from the bottom. We will select these two bodies and go to create copy, and by creating the copy, the dimension would be I think -30 mm or 35, 3. Just trial and error method. Now we will add fillets to all of these. to make it a curve surface, curve and smooth like this. So go to fillet, select all these edges, and make sure you select all the faces, and the faces and the edges would be in the same order, and same edges would result in a good object and will give it a smoother surface to us. I mentioned for the fillet radius, I think the 1 mm or 2 mm would be okay, or it's 3 mm I think. Yes, 3 mm is okay. Now we have to make the handle for this hog rider's hammer. This, you can see here it has a fillet here, and before that we will add a fillet on this face, on these edges, sorry. Select fillet, like these edges, and add a fillet of 1.5 mm. That's okay. Now we will make our handle. So go to the bottom plane and create a circle. For that we will be needing 2 circles, and the one would be of 15 mm and the second one would be of 10 mm. Now we will first extrude our 15 mm radius circle to a distance of 5 mm. Now we will add a fillet to it, and fillet would be of, I think, 3 mm, 2 mm, or 5 mm. That would be enough for that, or 3 mm, it's okay. 3.5 is okay. So here's the end of part 1, and if you want to make it complete, you want to make handle, don't forget to watch the part 2.